You was always worth it. Why you took my soul from me? Girl, I try to block you, but you in the lock and key. Girl, I try to.
Hey YouTube family, so today I'm going to be doing the infamous jean nail duck nail set. I am placing the duck tips on regular tips just because they're just not long enough. I did not even know that they had a full coverage duck tips, so I'll be ordering those later on. So the acrylic that I'm using is the first acrylic I've ever bought. It came with a beginner's nail kit with through Amazon. I got it from Amazon, and it has this yellow tint. And it's so funny because I went to a nail store, a nail supply store, and it had warning underneath of it, and it had yellow tint, and then one of them doesn't have yellow tint. I was like, what does that even mean? And I realized that I believe this is MMA product, and before I understood the chemicals of MMA, I had bought this, and then I ended up switching over to Mia Secret. But because this is not going on anybody's nails, I went on and used it, and I used my old nail brush. Like, this is my first nail brush that I've ever bought as well. So now I understand yellow tint, even though the thing clearly said, the front of the label clearly said clear. This is not clear, but also this is an MMA product as well, so it's not good for you anyway. But yeah, this is me freshening up my little acrylic skills. I just made it I did it for the video because I wasn't going to use acrylic at all, but I did it just to, and I didn't care about the yellow tint anyway because I was going to paint over it, but I did it just to do like a little thin layer of acrylic on the nails just to see how it came out. So here I'm just taking just some random blues. Like, I literally grabbed every blue I had and then some white. So I grabbed every blue gel polish I had and some white and just started mixing them and making little streaks. Tried to get close as denim jeans as possible. So the black French tip actually came from the idea of when people used to wear leggings underneath their jeans. I don't know if that's a style anymore, but that's something I used to. When it got cold, I wore leggings underneath my jeans. So that's where the black idea came from. And just right here where I'm doing the little rip part and then the black lining. So, you know, when you had the ripped jeans, and of course you saw the black leggings underneath the jeans. So that's where that whole idea came from. Now the pink idea, I kind of just came up with that, like out the blue. It was like I just wanted some sort of outline with the black French tip, so it just came up. Now I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't even completely confident until I did the matte coat. Like the matte coat just makes it pew pew. Like for real. Look at that. That is just, it just came out so awesome. And then I just got some ripped jeans already ripped and just put that material on there. And I decided to do some name brand jeans. So got my Louis Vuitton stickers and so my only regret is I didn't make the side of my French tips high enough. So I decided to redo the look and make them longer. So how did I do? Some people like the short ones, some people like the long ones, but hey, here you go.
You was always worth it. Why you took my soul from me? Girl, I try to find